DTV को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि टेक वर्ल्ड की कोई भी न्यूज आपसे मिस ना हो पाए। So we all are aware about RPTech India, the leading national distributor for Indian market. Incepted in 1981, RPTech India, a division of Rashi Peripherals Private Limited, is the fastest growing B2B technology solution provider in India currently, growing at a consistent 20% of CAGR year on year. RPTech India is recognized as the most preferred B2B partner of 25 plus renowned global technology brands. RPTech India has a strong network of 50 branches and 50 service centers that cater to 9,000 plus immensely satisfied B2B customers and millions of end users in 750 plus locations across India. So this is huge number. We know all about RPTech India. And today we have Mr. Rajesh Goenka, Director Sales and Marketing, RPTech India, on exclusive chat with DT. We all know Rajesh sir, we often call RG sir as well, and man behind RPTech immense success in last so many years. So, sir, thank you so much for taking out time and joining with DT for a very exclusive chat.
Thank you, Rajiv. And it's my privilege to be on your site.
Okay, sir. Thanks. So I know we have to keep the interaction very short because we are doing in a video format and we have to be very precise because audiences want to just listen what they want to listen, and partners, we have a partners community with us. So to start my interaction with you, how has been the business for RPTech India in last 1 year, especially in current pandemic environment?
So while pandemic is a curse to the humanity, but because of pandemic, overall there is a better demand of IT products. So it's not only Architect, but the entire IT ecosystem has done reasonably pretty well in the last financial year.
Okay. So if you can add more on this the entire in a brief how it was means in terms of revenue, yeah, overall, if you can share some more line about this.
Yeah, basically because of the pandemic, again, as I said, it is curse to humanity. But as a result, a lot of work from home, learn from home, people have implemented, which has triggered the demand of IT products, not only even in India, even in globally.
Right.
So there is a surge in demand in globally, and as a result, there is a short supply also.
Okay.
So almost everyone, I think, to the best of my knowledge, has had double-digit growth in last financial year.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm sure, and we all know about RPTech is continuously engaging with media and sharing all the information and development in the challenging environment also. And so this is the one point we especially feel as a media, RPTech is always providing the information about the company growth and channel support. So we are really thankful to you for all those information, sir. So moving to my next question, how you are working with your vast channel network, because we know how huge channel network you have, and especially in the current time when they require support from you.
Very relevant question, Rajiv. In fact, we were the first distributors to start working back in April 2020, when we all were scared and sitting at home. What we did was, since the government allowed courier service, we started calling all our channel partners that stay safe, stay at home, but at least do business from home, because for work from home, learn from home, people require IT products. And this triggered almost more than 2,500 channel partners pan India, and who started doing their work from home. And of course, the courier service was always there for pickup and drop. So we were the first distributor in India to kickstart that entire ecosystem way back to end April 2020. Until today, we have been working with channel partners to motivate them, to educate them, to do safe but innovative ways of doing business. And last but not the least, towards the end of April, we launched the orange zone and green zone offer. If you recollect, at that time, Modi ji had launched the regions depending on the severity of COVID. So we launched those programs which benefited partners, and it also again motivated them to do business. And the result is that last year, almost all the channel partners, they've had a positive growth in business.
Correct. So, sir, if I can add on this, because now the Maharashtra government has already announced lockdown. In Delhi also we have a weekend lockdown, and this trend will continue to grow in further states as well. So how do you see these changes you will adopt? Which are you ready with these changes?
So I think last entire year we have learned how to manage. So we are now rather, I will not say we are experts, but we are better prepared. Although all of us are working from home, but business is as usual. And again, because of the lockdown, the demand for accessories, demand for laptops, demand for routers again have gone up.
Right.
So we are able to manage pretty efficiently, I would say.
Okay, sir. And we are very much sure about this because you have proved in last 1 year. So based on those learnings, you might have the best plan to suit all the channel partners, and they'll work with your support.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely.
yeah. So moving to my next question, sir, it's relevant with one of the brand because we have seen Micron has grown very immensely in last few years, and we all know that you guys are the national distributor, and national distributor plays a very important role. So my next question is for you. In recent years, we have seen growth of Micron crucial products across all Indian market. Their products are doing quite well. We all know that. Being national distributor for the brand, you have contributed a lot in taking the brand at this leading position. So how do you see that this relation growing between brand and you?
So to tell you the truth story, Micron brand in India was launched by us
Okay.
about 6-7 years back. First time we met their management and we brought. Until then, they had no business plans for India.
Okay.
So needless to say that the relationship is deep rooted,
Right.
and we are working together for a win-win proposition.
Correct. Okay, and so means thanks for my knowledge enhancement. I was not aware about that you started means
Yeah.
Arpitech started this business. So this is going great, and expectations are quite high with the way thing is going.
Yeah, absolutely. So always all brands, the expectations are pretty high. And at Arpitech, we are also quite aggressive and we also like to take challenges. And so far, I think most of the challenges that we have taken we have been reasonably successful. So again, here we are already successful, but aspirations are still higher and we will continue to grow together.
Right. So this is really nice that you help brands to not sustain in the market but to capture the leadership positions, and you understand the strategy and product well. So my next question with the Micron strategy also, what are the two key
Yeah.
factors? Means you can, if you can count two factors which has been really great for them to grow till now.
So first and foremost, Micron globally is the leading player, which was not known to people earlier.
Right.
So that message now has gone that it's a global player, it's the leading player, although a late entrant to India as compared to brands like Kingston. So that message is gone. Second, they have great product quality. And thirdly, now they have a good team in India. Earlier, it was being operated out of Europe, but now in India, there is a big team and there's a dedicated team, which nevertheless helps you to get confidence of channel partners and also provide marketing and warranty services better.
Okay.
So all these three reasons are good for Micron.
Okay. So sometimes we spoke to smaller resellers also. They say that appointing a local people sometimes create a problem for them. So I think in your case, appointing leadership for them from the Micron has given a good breaking path for the growth, no?
Absolutely. Local team, local people always are better because they can understand the local flavor, understanding of the local market. They can talk to their HQ and get appropriate solutions and answers. Without having a local person, it becomes very difficult to convince people sitting abroad on the local conditions. So, as I said, I think this has been one of the big strengths for Micron.
Yeah, and the kind of people they have taken into the team, like Rajesh Gupta sir, then Paramjit ji, then Piyush. So there are a lot of people who are working as a good team, I think.
Absolutely.
Okay. So I just to move from this brand. So I know that you have ample of brands under your umbrella. Okay. So I just wanted to know quickly about how your other brands perform. And do you think that the work from home and learn from home segments have helped all such brands in keeping the growth trajectory upward?
Yeah, so the key driver globally, not only in India, is work from home and learn from home. And in the second phase of pandemic, also this will continue to grow. So overall, IT market is quite bullish and very optimistic. The only challenge right now is the short supply
Okay.
across all product categories, be it keyboard, be it mice, be it laptop, be it CPU, hard drive. There is a constraint in the supply.
Correct.
I would say not short supply, but there is a constraint and tight supply situation is there,
Okay. So,
which and it does not look like easing off in next few months. So channel partners, message to channel partners is try and get whatever you can and sell whatever you have.
okay.
There is no point in holding and definitely make some money.
Okay. Okay. And special focus should be on work from home and learn from home segment.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay.
But now with the factories and the offices also opening in certain areas,
Right.
and since their computers they have not been used for almost a year,
Mhm.
they're also going for refurbished or replacement. So
Okay.
that demand is also coming from certain states.
Right. Okay. Okay. So there are ample of opportunities. You just need to means the guidance from a distributor like you who can help them to show the way, because even the situation has become like the same which was earlier in last year the same time.
Correct.
But I'm sure that
Correct.
with the guidance of support from Architect, they will definitely pave their way for further growth. So the last
That's our job.
yeah, that's true, sir. That's really true. Okay. So moving to my last and final queries with you, because I know you have given me
Yeah.
very less time, because we'll be just looking for
Yeah.
more time further. To just wrap up my discussion with you, I'll have because there are a lot of announcements you keep on now keep on rolling, and we got all those updates related with your brands association or anything. So I'd
Correct.
like to know that I want to share with my audience that what Architect is bringing now, what new initiatives or announcement we can see from Architect in terms of offering new solution or products. So, what major growth plan you have for 2021?
Yeah. So one is right now the biggest challenge is the supply constraint. So we are working overnight to fulfill the demand of the market. Second, at the same time, enterprise business has been our focus, and there we are focusing on B2B solutions. So we have become pretty strong as far as B2B solutions are concerned, and we will continue to add products and solutions to our portfolio. And I would encourage channel partners to get into more B2B, because that is one is little bit more profitable. Second, it is more sustainable business. It is not just one-time sales. Once you do a solution selling, then you can service the customer, then you can fulfill the customer's intermittent requirement, and 2 or 3 year cycle, they always go for a upgrade or a replacement cycle, so that customer becomes your long-term customer rather than just selling one time to a particular consumer.
Okay. To summarize your this last answer, that move in the value chain, your message for the partners: move in the value chain, see the opportunities coming from the segments like enterprise. So that's really nice message for all our channel partners who will watch and who are watching us. And so definitely, this is a great thing from a distributor like you who are motivating now them to look for the opportunities like enterprise. This is not one time sell out. It's a relation, and you can sustain there. So I'll just wrap up my
Absolutely.
discussion with you, sir. But with one last question, because partners would love to know about some schemes are coming or something which you keep on rolling. Like on Facebook, we see a lot of activities are going on. So is there any big thing coming for the channel partners who they need to follow your social media and everything to know about, or we can
So
share to our
today in the IT industry, there is only one discussion is on the availability.
okay.
So I think Architect team is working overnight to make the best and the most of the products available. And I would say that we will be able to fulfill almost 90% of the requirements of the channel partners and our customers. And that itself is going to be very big.
Okay.
So channel partners, stay awake, stay alert, keep in touch with our team. Our team is always 24/7 in touch with you. Together, we will be able to supply the needs of your customer. And I think in next few months, that is going to be our biggest achievement together.
Okay.
And thank you so much, Rajiv, for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thanks. This is a great message for our audiences, and definitely they will love to know these words from your side, and this will really make an impact. Thank you so much for joining us and connecting
Yeah.
us in so tight schedule. And we'll love to connect you again and again to know more about Arpitech, because you are the rare spokesperson whom we can find very easily. And this time we cracked it and we got you. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you again.
Thank you,
Take care.
Rajesh.
Please
Yeah.
take care.